Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will walk through how to use the VidIQ keyword research tool. So, let's dive right in. Let's start by adding the VidIQ extension to your browser. First, visit the VidIQ website by clicking the link provided in the description. Once you're on the website, click on the extension option in the top menu bar. Then click on the Install Chrome extension button. This will redirect you to the Chrome Web Store where you can easily add it to your browser. Now, once you have installed the VidIQ extension, it will appear in your YouTube studio. Click on the VidIQ icon. Then from the list, choose the Keyword Inspector option. Now, here in the search bar, you will type your desired keyword on which you've based your video. For example, top 10 ships in the world. Then click on the search button. VidIQ will show you different keywords that you can use in your video title, description, and tags. You can simply check the overall score and competition here. But these keywords are short keywords. So now let's move towards exploring the long-tail keywords for your video. For this, visit the VidIQ website and log into your account using the link provided in the description. Once you're on the website, click on the keyword option from the top menu bar. Then, in the search bar, type your keyword. For example, top 10 ships in the world, and hit enter. Now you can explore the keyword details and more. You can simply check the overall score, competition, and search volume. If you scroll down a little bit, you will find the matching terms section. Here you can explore 3 long-tail keywords that you can use for your video and easily rank in search results. VidIQ offers 3 keywords in one search in the free plan, so if you want to explore more about keywords, you will need to subscribe to the premium plan. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to use the VidIQ keyword research tool. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.